Hello everybody, welcome to Shashi's kitchen. Today I will prepare Majjige huli and show it to you. This Majjige huli is prepared in south and it will be eaten with rice. And this is prepared out of buttermilk. And it is easy to prepare within 10 minutes. Keep the empty vessel on the stove. Put little oil to it. Add 1 spoon of mustard. Cut the cucumber into pieces and add to it. Stir well. Add water to it and allow it to boil. Take soaked chana dal and add jeera to it. 1 spoon jeera to it and curry leaves and 2-3 chili and coconut powder. Put everything in the soaked chana dal and grind it. Add little water to it and grind it again. Till the consistency comes like this. Add grinded paste into the vessel and stir it. Put some salt and add little buttermilk to it. And allow it to boil for 2-3 minutes.